Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma Hotspot, and in this video we can discuss 10 most important questions on that comes in the GPAT of medicinal chemistry. So let's begin the video. So guys, the question number 1 is, among the given compounds, the one which is least basic is. So you have the four options and you have to find the correct one which is least basic. So you have your time. The correct answer is Pyrrole, which is option number C. This is the structure. So the basicity of heterocyclic amines depends on the location of electron pair on the nitrogen atom, its hybridization, and whatever or not resonance stabilization is possible. As you can see that in Pyrrole, the electron pairs is part of aromatic system. As a result, Pyrrole is very big basic. Question number 2 is, which of the following have highest resonance energy? So you have the four options and you have to find the correct one. So your time starts now. The correct answer is C, which is thiophene. So guys, as you can see there, in thiophene sulfur atom is present, and sulfur atom is least electronegative as compared to oxygen and nitrogen. The value is also written that sulfur has 2.58 electronegativity value, while oxygen have 3.44, which is quite high, and nitrogen has 3. So because the sulfur have least electronegative, that's why this thiophene have highest resonance energy. Okay, the question number 3 is, which of the following drug has pathology ring in its structure? So the options are diazoxides, minoxidil, hydralazine, and all of the above. The correct answer is C, which is hydralazine. Let's see the pathology ring. So this is the ring. Okay, and as you can see there in the hydralazine drug, this ring is present. But as you can see there in the diazoxide, the ring is not there, and in minoxidil, the ring is not there also. So the correct answer is C, which is hydralazine. Okay, so the fourth question is, dialyl reaction can be carried out in which of the following heterocyclic compound more readily? So the options are pyrrole, thiophene, furan, or pyridine. So your time starts now. The correct answer is furan. So here is the structure of furan, and this is the dialyl reaction of furan with melamide. Okay, so the next is question number 5, which is, pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. This is due to which of the following fact? So you have to find the correct reason that pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Why this is so? So the option number 1 is, lone pair of electron on nitrogen in pyrrole is localized, or lone pair of electron on nitrogen in pyridine is localized, or nitrogen of pyrrole has one hydrogen atom attached to it while pyridine don't have any hydrogen bond, or the last option is pyridine have three double bonds while Pyrrole has only 2 double bonds. So is there any difference in the bonding or hydrogen bonds is there, or the lone pair of nitrogen in pyridine and pyrrole is there? So what is the correct answer for the more basicity of pyridine is? So you have to think, and your time starts now. The correct answer is B, which is lone pair of electrons on nitrogen in pyridine is localized. As you can see there, pyridine has a stable conjugated system. In diagram also you see that of 3 double bonds in a aromatic ring like benzene. Hence, the lone pair electron on the nitrogen atom is in pyridine is localized and more available for donation and easily donated to hydrogen atom. Therefore, pyridine is a stronger base than pyrrole. Which of the following compound undergo thermal elimination reactions? So the options are acetone, chlorides, bromides or alcohol. Correct answer is acetone. So here's the acetone is break down into CO and CH3CH3 or NCH4 and CH2CO. Question number 7 is which of the following is the concentration of HCl used in labs? So the options are 35 to 40%, 50 to 55%, 70 to 75% and 12 to 18%. So you have to find out the correct concentration that we used in our laboratories. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is 35 to 40%, and here is the table which shows some reagents concentration like hydrochloric acid 36%. So this is the standard one. Question number is 8 is nitrogen atom in pyridine is sp1 hybridized, sp2 hybridized, sp3 hybridized or cannot be predicted. Your time starts now. The answer is sp2 hybridized. Which of the following compound is not aromatic? So the options are pyridine, pyrrole, furan or piperidine. The answer is piperidine because there is no resonance. As you know that for the aromatic character the resonance is must. So the last question is which of the following compound has piperidine ring? So the options are triametrine, riboflavin, folic acid or all of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is all of the above. Let's see the piperidine ring. So this is the piperidine ring, and as you can see there in the triametrine this ring is present, and in riboflavin this ring is also present in the riboflavin, and in folic acid the piperidine ring is also available. So all of the three drugs have piperidine ring, and the correct answer is all of the above. So that's all for today guys. I hope you really like it, and if you are new here, join us by subscribing the channel, and if you learn something new, press the like button. And if you want to solve these types of questions daily, then we continuously uploading this on our Instagram page where you find these questions daily, and just comment your answer in the comment section of Instagram page. And if you have any topic that you want that we made a video on that, then comment in the comment section of YouTube. We will meet in our next video.